Hi students, problem number 13. A moving coil galvanometer gives full scale deflection when a current of 0.005 ampere is passed through its coil. It is converted into a voltmeter reading up to 5 volt by using an external resistance of 975 ohm. Now the resistance of the galvanometer coil has to be determined. Now in the theory class we have already studied how to convert a moving coil galvanometer into a voltmeter. So it is converted by connecting a high resistance in series with the galvanometer. So the external resistance called high resistance RH. So what is the value given here? RH is equal to 975. So the high resistance in series is equal to 975 ohm, and the current flowing through the coil of the galvanometer is Ig is equal to 0.005. So this can be written as 5 into 10 power minus 3 ampere. Now the voltmeter's reading full scale deflection is 5 volt. So V is equal to 5 volt. Now what is to be found? The resistance of the galvanometer. So RG has to be determined. Okay. Now you see here V is equal to Ig into Rg plus RH. So V by Ig is equal to Rg plus RH. Therefore, what is the resistance of the galvanometer? Rg alone is equal to V divided by Ig minus RH. So now substituting the values on the right hand side, V is how much? V is equal to 5 volt. So this is 5 divided by Ig is equal to 5 milliampere, is it not? So this is 5 into 10 power minus 3. In bracket we will keep minus high resistance RH is 975. So this is 975. Now this 5 and 5 get cancelled and 10 power minus 3 will come up as 10 power plus 3. So 10 power 3 is also what? 1000. Okay. Therefore Rg is equal to 10 power 3 minus 975, and that is equal to 1000 minus 975, that is equal to 25. Therefore the resistance of the galvanometer is 25 ohm. Okay, is 25 ohm. So which of the options is correct? Option B is the right answer. Okay, therefore option B, that is 25 ohm, is the correct answer. So this type of problems are very simple. So if you remember this formula directly, it will be well and good. Okay. So the conversion of a moving coil galvanometer into a voltmeter. Similarly, there are some numerical problems in the conversion of a galvanometer into ammeter also. Okay. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.